So hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson on NSSB CSRE aptitude portion. So last class on lesson number 1 complete question. This is lesson number 2. So as per the syllabus of NSSB CSRE, if you see the syllabus through the website, first topic in simple arithmetic number system. So we'll be doing this piece by piece and in systematic order, that is number system. So let us start the class. So the first question is, although this is a foundation class, kun first timer dia, and those who are preparing for NSSB first time in maths, those are feeling difficulty in solving the maths, this is for you. And those who are preparing from last year or previous years, so you can skip the video or you can watch in 2 times or 1.5 times to save your time. But this is for those who are starting your NSSB journey and who wants a complete analysis of the question. So step by step grow, jaldibazi no grow, asti grow. So first question, how many times the digit 7 appears in the numbers from 103 to 200? So question bako aje ki 103 aro 200 la mojode kiman number aje that 7 appear kore. So 103 the next the ki ho 107 aje, 117 aje, 127 aje, 137 aje, 147 aje, 157 aje, 167 aje, 170 aje, aro 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, aro 187, aro 197. So it is up count goes, it appears how much times? If you count, it appears 20 times. It does. So this is very simple question. 7 could appear 7. So this is the answer. So I hope you got this. Let us go to the next question. So next question is, the sum of 3 consecutive even integer is 126. Which is the least integer among them? So here take the mathematical term that is 3 consecutive even integer. Consecutive. First of all, consecutive is consecutive to next by next. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. It is consecutive point in English term. So it is consecutive. It is even the consecutive integer. Consecutive integer to next to next number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is consecutive integer. So it mathematically to derive grow just say n do 1 aja. ठीक है. Next ना this then itu 2 kina wo n plus 1 aise gole to 2 ewo because n already 1 aja. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It was बुझिसे. Next 3 देखिना wo, that is n plus 2, that is n do 1 aja plus 2 is equal to 3 inga. So next n plus 4 n plus 3, so 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So consecutive integer do mon kina do not grow bole do n our n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 to inga jawa. That is n do 1 rakhiwe. Next do n to 1 is a 1 plus 1 2 3 same to 1 2 3 to 1 sub to n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 to denote kuro pare. So you might be wondering it n de minus rakili to kine hobo. So it is one positive integer class chalo, that is 1 means 1 2 3 inga chalo positive integer kane. So no problem. So consecutive integer to n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 those there's a natural order of number to it denote kore dike consecutive integer mate. Next it concept next question and next concept is consecutive even integer. Even dike ajukile the divided by 2 it was a, for example 4 is a, so 4 come on 2 by divide kuro na pare we can divide, so it is an even integer. For example 6 it 2 by divide kure 3 aibo, so it is also an even integer. However 5 though divided by 2 it is not possible, it is decimal there 2.5, so it is not a even integer. So consecutive even integer to next to is consecutive even integer to n. Consecutive even integer to suppose 2 4 6 8 10 12 all divisible by 2 ke one even integer mate. So consecutive dike is 2 4 6 inga jawa. So if we use n dot 2 aise na, so next 4 the kina hobo bole to we write as n plus 2, that is n plus 2, that is n to 2 is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Next n plus 4 na, and n to 2 2 plus 4 that is 6. So consecutive even integer though we can denote by in mathematically through the term n plus 2 n plus 4 inga dot inga. So I hope you got this. It was a consecutive integer or consecutive even integer. So our consecutive odd integer it will be odd number n plus 1 n plus 3 n plus 5 inga jawa. So these are consecutive odd integer. So consecutive even integer to 126 is a sum of 3 consecutive. So ekta n lui tinda n plus 2 aro n plus 4 itu tinda consecutive even integer in order je aro dike sum kori ko ase itike plus kori ko ase. So itu plus kori kole to 126 ahe. So the term is n plus 2 plus n plus 4 equals 126. N dike man as 1 2 3 the 3n as plus 2 or 4 do plus korele to 6 over 126. 3n to 126 to lo or do yede potentially it will become 6. So it will be 3n is equal to 120. So n will be equal to 3 120 by 3, that is 3 4 is 12, that is 40. So the answer will come option number D, that is 40. Least integer to n ase, so n ase aro the largest integer to n plus 4 ase, so n la value 40 ase plus 4 is equal to 44. So largest integer to 44 ase, least integer to 40 ase. So I hope you got this. Let us go to the next question. So next question comes as how many multiples of 5 are there from 1 to 200 which are not multiples of 4. So multiples of 5 question between 1 and 200. So first take a bulb understand multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 to 5 ones of 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20 inga. So 5 pa multiply garna jabo. So 5 pa multiply garna jadum de 1 to 200 ase. So 1 200 to kina punje. That means 5 into 200 to 1 5 pa divide kore. That means 5 4 is 20 0 5 0 0. That means 5 40 is 200 ahe. 5 to 5 to 40 times 5 1 is 5 5 to the 10 inga na 5 into 40 will come 200. It was so 40 multiples to 200 kore bujhishe. So multiple to 40 is tela 40 multiple is. Next, which are not multiple of 4? So 4 la multiple to 4 are the multiple to 40 is to 40 dikina 4 10 is 40. That means multiple to 10 is. So 4 to 4 into 10 to 40 is. So around 5 into 40 to 200 is. So 1 paishi ki multiple to 10 is aro 40 is. So moi kitia 5 la multiple to 200 kina 40 minus 4 to kina 40 multiple ho 10 ho. That means 40 minus 10 it is 30. So the answer is option number B, that is which are not kuja, because it is the multiple as which are not to minus as. So it will be 40 minus 10 it is 30. So this is the correct answer. Let us go to the next question. So the next question is, how many factors of 420 are prime numbers? Factors of first factors take is 420 la. Ido question to ekta side set rogre factors take is. For example 25 la factors ke is. So what are the any simple question by sure the factors of 25. So 25 la factors to one LCM lo. That means 5 5 is 25. That means 5 into 5 to tala factors. That means 5 square tala factors of 25. Similarly, kobe factor of 100 koi. So 100 la LCM lo. That means first chutu number by 2 5 is 10, 2 25 is 5 5 is 25. That means 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. In the previous class, we have shown that 2 into 2 to 2 to the power 2 will equal or 5 to 5 into 5 to 5 to the power 2 into will equal. The factors are 2 and 5. It was so similarly 420 the upgrade core number do, that is 420. So it 420 to 1 LCM lo. Let's say 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2. Next 2 10 is 20, 2 5 is 10. Next 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, or 7 5 is 35. So okay that is 5 7 is 35 in the natural order of things. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 is equals to 420. So 2 into 2 we can write 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7 is. So here prime numbers to prime numbers to which is divisible by 1 and itself. For example, let us take an example of 17. So 17 though is it divisible by any number? 2 2 is 16, 1 and n. So at the remainder, so it is not divisible by 2. Next, let's say 3. 3 5 is 15. Remainder 2 is so not divisible by 3 also. So next to 4 4 4 is 16, 1. So to divide you will never be able to divide a prime number except by itself. That means 17 though take it divisible by 17 only. 17 1 is 17 so tai lan nitor number by divide kobo or 1 17 the 17 so prime numbers are those numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself idige prime numbers so prime numbers to yede saishikule to 2 be the prime numbers 3 be prime numbers 5 be prime numbers 7 be prime numbers so 1 2 3 4 so charta prime numbers that are the factors of 420 so the answer is option number D, that is 4 is the correct answer. Next question. So the last question for today is shown here as the sum of 8 consecutive integers is 4. What is the lowest integer? So consecutive integer do mon already find gosya 1 2 3 4 5 idige consecutive integer hoy aru do mathematically mon show ro gole do n aje n to 1 aje gole do n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 n plus 4 n plus 5 inga do hoy do infinity dak so ede ko aje ki the sum of 8 consecutive cosa is 4. What is the lowest integer? Lowest integer to n ke bisar ko samon. So here we can write n. Now first integer n sum kori goja plus n plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus n plus 3 plus n plus 4 plus n plus 5 plus n plus 6 plus n plus 7 plus n plus 8 equals to 4. It was so n to plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 it will be n plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 so n plus 9 n plus 8 now n plus 7 takewo because all together do kiman ahe 8 integers ahe 8 consecutive integer so 8 at n do kiman ase atta n ase plus next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 itu plus korile do we get 28 is equal to n 4 sorry so 8 n do 4 ayo are to minus 28 ase because it plus is do kita ite jo minus jo so 8n is equal to 4 minus 28 so it is dangor concept ekta ase 4 minus 28 it doesn't mean like 28 by 4 inga kori kone natural order ba korbo that is 28 minus 4 go so it will be 24 however it plus is it minus is plus minus minus is taila sign do plus minus minus is our number सबसे dangor la ke is minus is so kun number dangor la je idula sign cholobo for example 8 minus 9 ase bole to because 9 do dangor la number is taila sign ki bukina is minus is so idu minus to cholo aro 8 minus 9 is kiman 1 so minus 1 is the correct answer aro next to 9 minus 8 ko 9 minus 8 to same as holibe number 9 do tai positive number bukina je equal likena nai it means the number is positive so 9 minus 8 is 1 and since 9 lode tai plus is so it will be plus however we do not show this plus it is there by itself so 8 because tai 8n is equal to 4 minus 28 oishiro ito so 8n do minus kro 28 4 minus 28 is 24 however 28 lo the key as a number minus is so it will be n is equal to minus 24 by 8 that is 8 3 is 24 that is it is minus 3 So the answer is -3 is the correct answer. So with this, the second lesson on integers is completed. I hope you have understood something. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you the very best for the exam. Thank you.